welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Tonia. If you're new to my channel, you're welcome, and if you're a returning subscriber, you're also welcome to this wonderful channel. In today's video, I'm going to be making stuffed plantain with beans. For this recipe, I will be using beans, chopped onions, tomatoes, basil, and tuna fish. A pan, add the palm oil, saute the onions for about 2 minutes, add the chopped tomatoes and leave to fry for another 2 minutes. Add the tuna fish. I used 2 cans of tuna fish. Keep frying for another 1 minute. Add the stock cubes, pepper, and salt. At this point, I'm adding the beans. So I used my air fryer to boil the beans. I boiled about 2 cups of beans, or I think at the end of the day, I only used 1 cup of beans in this recipe. I sprinkled chopped basil to garnish the beans. The beans is cooked now, so you can see how delicious it looks. I can't wait to have this in my tummy. As you can see, I'm using plantain for this recipe. I'm going to be creating a boat shape from this plantain. I will be removing the center. I'm just removing every bit, trying to create a decent hole where I can stuff the beans. When I'm done carving the plantain, I put the plantain into the air fryer and air fry the plantain for about 30 minutes. The plantain is cooked at this point, so I'll be removing it from the air fryer. Also, for this recipe, I fried the plantain. I wanted to do a food comparison to know if the air fried plantain will taste better than the fried plantain. At this point, I'm done cooking. I'm dishing out my food. So this is the fried plantain and that is the air fried plantain. So let's see which is better. Now I'm stuffing the beans inside the plantain. You can use any type of beans. You can use red kidney beans, you can use baked beans, but I prefer to use this type of beans. When I was done stuffing the beans into the plantain, I was so happy with what I've done. So when I tried eating the plantain with the stuffed beans, I noticed that the one that was air fried came out better, tasted delicious, while the one that was fried did not come out so good. I think it's because it did not fry so well, so the inside was still hard. So what I had to do, I had to put it back into the air fryer. Thank you all for watching to the very end of this video. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel, and hit on the notification button where you'll be notified of more interesting and exciting content. I'll see you in my next video. Thank you. Bye.